problem with this, he's got to get something done in a hurry if he's going to win this match. He's got to separate one of these guys and get something done.
Here we go.
Oh, we got double arm DDT.
Is he gonna win this match by himself? Come on, Raul, you got this. What is this?
Wait.
What is this?
What? Rudy Switchblade.
He's got some help. He's got some help.
Rudy Switchblade. Where did he come from?
Finally, he's got some help. Finally, here he comes. Oh my gosh.
Rudy Switchblade now. Billy Mattern misses. Rudy is on fire.
He is just going to town on these boys.
Where did Rudy Switchblade come from?
It's no longer a numbers game. It's a fair fight.
Billy Mattern now was not expecting this. Rudy is on fire.
Oh.
This is ridiculous. Jawbreaker now. Neckbreaker. Oh, no. There's the numbers. That's two dudes right there. Duke the Nuke. Whoa! The big man now. Uh-oh.
Is this?
Oh,
is he,
no.
Are they doing what I think they're doing?
Oh, no. Rudy Switch. Rudy Switch. Billy Mattern.
Oh, with the.
Look at that.
With the metal rod.
He did it right in front of the referee, J-Mo. He didn't care.
And now the numbers game is coming into play. Here we
Here's
go.
your winners by disqualification, Raul La Motta.
I mean, you didn't honestly think the bad dude game was going to lay down and take this, do you?
Look at this. Billy Mattern, this kid did not care if they lost. He comes in right in front of the referee.
But let's be honest, what business does Rudy have to be even out here? This isn't even his fight.
I don't know, J-Mo.
He stuck his nose in their business.
But he regrets it now. Billy Mattern with that lead pipe.
The Bad Dude Gang, he should have never stuck his nose into Bad Dude Gang's business.
But come on, man. You got this kid with a pipe out here, hitting people with a weapon. Rudy just made it a fair fight.
That would not have had to happen if Rudy didn't come stick his nose in their business, though.
He just made it a fair fight. Billy Mattern just gave up the winner's end of the purse so he could hit somebody with a pipe. This kid is out of his mind. And putting him with the Bad Dude Gang was maybe the worst thing for this company. Listen to this kid.
Do you see that evil grin?
Tell him, I just can't stand this.
Once again, they're questioning where Ace Jackson is, like they don't know where he is.
Hey, Bad Dude Gang. Look at this punk. Apollo guard.
You can say what you want about them, but they use every advantage they can. There's nothing wrong with that. You can't blame them because they're smart enough to bring four guys to the ring. It's not their fault.
This kid. Hey, I got a fleet of lawyers. You touch me, you'll be living in a box.
Disqualified for that too?
This guy. Oh my.
Hold up. Since you guys like sticking your nose in their business and I was just out here helping out an old friend. But seeing as you're gonna get your ass whipped by Ace Jackson, and Raul La Motta is gonna whip Apollo all around this building. I know you don't have a match. So Billy Mattern, March 16th, I hope you bring everything you got, because I want to take you out right here in the ring.
Wow.
Did we just hear Billy Mattern versus Rudy Switchblade?
Let's do it.
Yeah, he's not an announcer.
March 16th, oh come on.
Rudy now. Billy Mattern, this kid's, he's got serious anger issues, J-Mo.
Did we just have that match announcement? Is it going to be Rudy Switchblade versus
It's Rudy
Billy
and Billy
Mattern
Mattern
at
at Rise. This kid's...